This is how you remove scratches from the floor. Wooden floors, although very durable, are prone to scratching. Moving furniture, pets, or small children are just some of the reasons why scratches appear on panels. The deeper the scratches, the harder they are to hide. However, there is a home remedy that helps you get rid of them quickly. You only need one thing from the kitchen. All you have to do is rub it on the scratches. It's nothing other than a walnut. Take one walnut out of its shell and vigorously rub it over the scratched areas. It's best to do this for about 3 minutes. The walnut is very soft, which makes it perfect for filling in the scratched spots. Its oils and natural abrasive properties do a great job of hiding small scratches and giving the wood a fresh shine. Then wipe the floor with a damp cloth. The scratches will be gone. Floor panels beautifully decorate any interior, but they require proper care. The walnut trick is a cheap and effective way to get rid of scratches.